Hey, first grade, welcome to week 20. This is our song of the month, Unique, so you can go and listen to that if you would like. But we are going to go ahead and start with our song for the week, which is called Many Boats in the Ocean. And it's going to talk about each boat having a different theme song based on its kind of personality or its function. And so our word for the week is going to be form. So form is the plan of the music. So when a composer writes a song, so remember a composer is the person who writes the music. So when they start putting together a song, they think about how many sections do I want it to have? Or maybe they'll do one part and maybe that's it. That's all they want. It's just an A section, just one part. But then maybe they decide they want a chorus. They want a section that's a little bit different. And we'll see how this works in this song. And we'll be talking about form a lot more in the future. But basically for right now, I want you to know that form is the plan of the music. So the plan that the composer had for the music. And basically it's same and different sections. So let's listen to this song and then we'll get started on your assignment for this week.
Submarine, I go down deep. Submarine, I go down deep. There are many boats in the ocean, also many boats in the deep blue sea. Each one different, each one special, each with their own personality. Each one different, each one special, each with their own personality.
Wasn't that neat? So many different types of boats, and they each have a different function or a different use. So let's go ahead to the next section, and it talks about each one of these boats more specifically. So when you're going to the sailboat, you can come back in just a little bit and listen and learn about each part of the boat and what its function is. What does it do? But we're just going to listen to this part for right now. But again, in a little bit, if you want to, you can come back and learn a little bit more about each type of boat.
Sailboats have large sails that fill with wind. Sailboats can be big or small and travel on oceans, lakes, or rivers. Sometimes they even race with other sailboats.
All right, that's the sailboat. Let's go ahead and listen to the canoe.
Canoes are long, narrow boats that are pointed at both ends. They usually hold one or two people and can go in any type of water.
All right, and the tugboat.
Tugboats have an important job. They push or pull ships that may be stuck or need help moving. Sometimes tugboats can even help put out fires on other boats.
Isn't that cool? That's really neat. And submarines.
Submarines are designed to go underwater. They can explore the depths of the ocean and help us learn about the ocean life deep below the surface.
Okay, so they're all boats, but they're all different. Just like you and all the students around you and all the people in your family. You're all different and all special in different ways, right? You're not all the same, because we've talked about that before. If we were all the same, that would be so boring. So it's good that you're different and you're special in a certain way that somebody else might not be special. So, but just know that you're special and Miss Murphy loves you. So we're going to go on to the next thing where you're going to get to arrange your own song. So this time it doesn't have the words, it just has the music. But see if it sounds familiar. So here's our sailboat theme. Okay, let's see if you remember this one. Okay, so that's the canoe theme. Let's listen to the tugboat, see if you remember that one. Tugboat, tugboat. And then our submarine was the one. I was doing this with my hand because I wanted you to notice that melody going down. Let's listen to that. It goes down, 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 same, same, same. Did you hear that? Remember, melodies can do what? They can go up, down, or they can stay the same, same, same. Remember that? So this, that melody happened to be going down and then same, same, same at the end. So you can come and listen to each one again, and then you're going to click this button right here that says arrange. And you're going to get to arrange the song. Now, the composer is the person who writes it originally. They're the ones that first wrote the music. But then sometimes an arranger will come along and put different sections together in different order, or might arrange the song all together differently. But they start with what the composer had first and then arrange it for their own. So instead of called the composer, they're called the arranger. So you're going to be an arranger today. So you get to choose which part you want first. Now there's a couple examples here. If you want to look at the examples first before you do yours. But when you're ready to do yours, you're going to reset right here. So you start with a blank piece of paper, basically, blank page. And then you're going to pull yours over. So I really like the sailboat song. And I like, let's see, which one is this? That's the tugboat. I don't know if I wanted the tugboat. Oh yeah, I liked that one. Let's see, let's put the canoe here. I don't know. This is what I want you to do. I want you to kind of look around, look through them, and then you're going to listen to it right here. So you're going to push the play button. And after you put them in a certain order, you're going to push the play button, and it's going to play all of them right in a row. And you're going to listen to it and see if you like your song. So if you made your own song and you like it. If you don't, you can just slide one over and put a different one in, or you can reset it and start all over again. So you might like, maybe you like the sailboat song a whole bunch and you want to hear it a lot, but then maybe you want to end with just the canoe song. So you want to do that. That's fine. This is your composition. This is your arrangement. So once you're finished, here's what I need you to do. I want you to write down which order, because this is going to be your form. So remember, your form is the plan of the music. So if I said, what is your form? And this is your song, you would say A, D. So I want you to remember that. You're going to write down A, D. So write that down so you don't forget it. Now, if you want to, of course, you're not going to write that down, whatever your composition is. So let's look at this first example they have. So if this happened to be yours, then what would your form be? You would go right in order, and you would say, oh, my form is A, B, A, C. And so here's what I want you to do next. You're going to click the next button, and then there's a recording. And I'm going to see myself again probably in this. Oh, no, it's because I've already got the webcam being used. But yours will have record now, hopefully, or it might say upload a file. If you can't do this part, it's okay because I've got an exit ticket next. So you don't have to do both. You're going to choose one. But for those of you who can, all you're going to do is tell me what you decided to do. You can say AAAD, or you can say you decided to do sailboat, 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 canoe, however you want to tell me. But that's all you have to record. Or you could have somebody message me in Dojo and tell me what order. But if this doesn't work for you, the recording, because I know some people were having trouble with the recording last time, then you can click next, and then here's our exit ticket for this week. So you'll click start, of course, and it says, what is form? Is it the plan of the music? Is it same and different sections? Or both A and B are correct? So is it the plan of the music, same and different sections, or is it both of those? Are those both right? Then you click C. And then the second question is just which type of boat was your favorite? Was it the sailboat, the canoe, the tugboat, or the submarine? And then that's it. You'll click your orange submit button and then OK, and then you're done. I did include a special canoe story, Callie and her special canoe. I think you will really like. And there's some story questions there if you want to. There's a new Mr. Delgadio video that's really funny, really fun, about 6 little gnomes. And it's a humming song. And then, let's see. Oh, there's a rhythm play along. So if you want to get out your instrument kit and play along with your instrument kit, it has tas, TTs, and rest. Let me start it real quick. I know our video's running long today. Let me go mix on forward. Okay. So it's going to use the rest, and it's going to use TTs, and it's going to use tas. But it's a rhythm play along. Let's go ahead and look at a little bit of it. There we go.
Ready, go. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta, ti,